Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID and passcode or Touch ID or passcode not showing in settings after the updating of iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When we open settings, scrolling down and after Cydia search, there is no Face ID or Touch ID. Now we are going to get back Touch ID or Face ID. To get back that option, go to Settings and under Settings, tap on Screen Time. Under Screen Time, scroll down, find and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under Content and Privacy Restrictions, scroll down and under Allow Changes, tap Passcode Changes. Under Passcode Changes, select Allow. Now go back to Settings, scroll down and check after Cydia and search. We will get back Touch ID and passcode. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.